most people I think I will use this on Binance. So obviously you can use this banner, Flash USDT on banner, and this is a trust variable, so you can transfer me. You can also use in wallet brokers. So if you want to trade or maybe you direct withdraw 5%, I would recommend you if you want to deposit in like this broker. No need to deposit, simply deposit. Okay, you make trade up whatever you want to do. What? Yeah, you can see if you were adding Flash USDT, for example, me, I will add a Flash USDT, I'm doing trade and I will profit and the balance is reached to 100K, so I will withdraw only 5%. Okay, other remote, I will again trading or use any other purposes. Okay, but withdraw must be minimum like 5%. Okay, so another thing, mostly I will asking every people, everyone use stake, and I am also recommending to everyone to use 1xbet. These are the best option, okay? These are the best option. So simply create account. There is no verification, so simply deposit and withdraw 5%. That's how leave that account, create a new one. You can also sell the previous, for example, after withdrawing 5%, you can also sell this account to clients or other people. So, but my strategy is simply withdraw 5% and leave that account. For example, I have a 7 Flash USDT in my account. Now I am more. I know what I'm showing you. Example, I'm widely simple. I have 70K Flash USDT. So simply withdraw 5% is 3,500 Flash. So you have USDT, which is free amount. You can withdraw with your Binance, which address with what you will receive original USDT, which you can use in P2B, whatever you want to do. Okay. So one is very heavy, so it's loading. So you can also apply scenes for the airline Mexico. So wait. So I hope you understand these things. So accept this page. So how we can do that? So simply, first of all, be careful. Open this remix.ethereum.org in YouTube, and also be careful about this link. This is our link, okay? And if you want to contact us, maybe some people didn't like this process, so if they want to directly buy, who can connect us, so we will sell only 10K flashes and $100. So there is no demo, don't ask me for demo, because everything I done in front of you, individuals every day, okay? So there is no objection from your side. You understand? These are most people who are trying to get free flash. Okay, so don't waste my time. I'm not free. So simply Control A, copy this one and copy. After copying this, simply go to Remix. And I'm going to delete the previous one. And first of all, I'm also disconnect the website. Click on this file icon and put usdt.s1. Click enter from the keyboard, paste the viewing code, and click OK. After clicking, simply go to this option. Watch this video carefully. I'm doing these things again and again. Maybe sometime I will delete all these videos because this method, most people not take this serious. So that's why I'm trying to give you free service. Okay. So some people also text me, why you provide this free? So then I advise them that you have a problem from this because you didn't want that everyone get benefit from this. Simply click on this and connect your wallet. Let them connect. Simply connect it. If you didn't find this one, so simply scroll down. First of all, you need to connect your wallet. Most people open this website, text me, there is no MetaMask option. They didn't add MetaMask and didn't add inbound. So without inbound, you didn't clear it flash. Okay, so watch this video. So simply, if you didn't find after adding MetaMask extension, simply search here. You can see MetaMask is here. Injectable whether for vendor and trust wallet. I'm using these three. Okay, so what we can do, so simply we connect it and we need to click here and watch Peter. And here we need to put USDT. Okay, plot and click on concept. So we need to change this one, 1111, and we need to change this one after that, confirm it. This will show you pop up. Simply confirm it. Most people also ask me, why we not use a trust wallet? You can use trust wallet, but trust wallet from previous 2 weeks showing. Then we click on transact, trust wallet, always showing transaction is pending. Some of them confirm, but we will not proceed this option. Okay. After that, so simply click on this one and simply copy. So I'm sending this amount. So let me 0.1 TM. Okay. After creation, you can also send your Flash USDT to your banners as well as trust wallet. So don't worry about this. We are not using trust wallet, MetaMask. Wallet have a unique key phrase. So you can also log in same wallet and do same wallet account in MetaMask and trust wallet. So let me, this transaction is confirmed. So our balance will be appeared here. So let me wait a couple of seconds. So we will see here, we will receive our balance hobby. So as you can see, we receive. So simply we again click on start. And again, we change this value 1 and 11, confirm it. After confirmation base, they confirm it. So we wait, the value is gone, and we'll also wait here to confirmation from our wallet also. I can click on this. Because trust wallet extension is in beta state, that's why creating problem. There is no objection. Wallets are same away. So we can use MetaMask is better working. So that's why we are using MetaMask cookie. So let me wait a couple of what you can see here is zero. So simply the last stage, click on middle. And again, we'll here 11 to receive Flash in our wallet instantly because we follow all instructions and memo of government. So confirmation, so simply confirm it. After confirmation, we will wait a couple of seconds here to confirm who will receive confirmation and we will go away. So you can see green tick mark, so let it open and we will see our flashes received. The base flash we can use in just wallet and these are transferable any you can deposit any exchange, any wallet, any website away. So it's after confirmation and we all done the steps. So we will see here, we will see Scientific Flash USDT. So these are trust circle. And having recommended you use and stake, which are 5% 500 is a huge amount in real. If we calculate, it's huge profit. We use this method, when stake and 1x bit did that to these flash, then you do nothing. Just trying to change yourself, okay? So make sure you like and subscribe our channel. I also ask you to wait for